Okay, welcome back. And now we are on question 3. Okay, question 3. So many data. So look at the question first. A. Okay, state the intensity of S2. State, just write down. So look at what is S2. Okay, S2 has an intensity that is twice that of S1. So what is S1? S1 is 10 to the power negative 6. So very straightforward. So you can say intensity of 2 is 2 times 10 to the power negative 6. Remember, we are on math, not feet and by, okay? Only for unit. That's it. Okay, next one. Find the loudness of S2. So find out what is loudness. Okay, look up here. Loudness is L. Okay, in decimal. Okay, maybe this is important. So important units. Okay, so the equation is like this. So it's a calculator question. So substitute the I here and do the thing. So you write down, okay, loudness of 2 equals 10 log 10. Okay, 10 to the power negative 6, 10 to the power negative 12. Calculation time. Bring out your calculator, pause the video. Welcome back. I'm sure you did it. Okay, the answer is 63. Okay, remember, no need to write the units. Okay. Next one, the maximum loudness of thunder is 115. So loudness is 115. Okay. You want to find out the corresponding intensity. Reverse calculation. So now 115 is the loudness, and it leads to 10 log 10 I times 10 to the power 12. Okay. Calculation time, but you have a not of intermediate step. Okay, so you can work on it a few marks. Okay, move the 10 to the left hand side, become 11.5, and then copy all the thing. Okay, hardworking, and remember, no careless mistake. And then not move to the left is 10 to the power, right? So I equals, maybe I'll write here, I times 10 to the power 12 equals 10 to the power 11.5. Right, and then move the thing. So what is I? So I equals 10 to the power 11.5 minus 12, right? Move it, become a division. Division is subtraction. So 10 to the power 0.5. Okay, last step is calculation. So work on it. 10 to the power 0.5. So if you got this step, it's hard to get it wrong, but still pause. You did it, well done. So it is 0.316. Okay, right here. So it is equal 0.316. Bingo. So you got it. Okay. Intensity is small. No, before it's 10 to the power negative 6. So 0.316 is quite big, but we are not doing science. Okay. Just work on it, get the result. You don't need to interpret it. Okay. Well done. See you for question 4.